This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the front wheels. Using the special anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the rear wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the rear sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the rear sill flange. Fully unscrew the wheel nuts and remove the wheel. Open the tailgate and remove the rear parcel shelf. Fold forwards the seat backrest, then remove the carpet trim. Disconnect any wiring plugs as the trim is removed. Support the trailing arm using a trolley jack, then unscrew the strut top mounting nut inside the luggage compartment. If necessary, use a second spanner to counterhold the piston rod. Remove the upper mounting plate. Slacken and remove the lower shock absorber mounting bolt. Lower the jack, press down the trailing arm and remove the shock absorber. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, then refit the lower mounting bolt, but don't tighten it at this stage. Support the trailing arm with a trolley jack. Refit the upper mounting plate over the piston rod, then refit the top mounting nut. Don't tighten the nut at this stage. Remove the trolley jack. Locate the wheel over the hub studs, then refit and lightly tighten the wheel retaining nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Remove the wheel chocks. Now tighten the top mounting nut to the specified torque, followed by the lower mounting bolt. Refit the carpet trim over the upper mounting. Return the backrest to the upright position and refit the parcel shelf.